Let's meet our next AI assistant. Every 24 hours, our assistants automatically sweep across your entire market, capturing things like new product launches, new promotions, financial results, company news, and leadership changes. Each alert is then summarised, categorised, and stored for you in your own unique knowledge base. The AI assistants then access this knowledge base to answer your questions and generate content like new reports and presentations. Let's try the Partnerships Assistant now. Okay, so we'll click into the Partnerships Assistant or Analyst that sits at the top of the dashboard. When you open up the conversation with this particular assistant, you'll notice that it will load up a series of prompts which are designed to guide your thinking. We might want to start by asking the Partnerships Analyst to simply summarise the new partnerships that my competitors have entered into. It's given us a full list of all of the partnerships that have been entered into by this particular competitor set. And from here, I might be interested in segregating them in line with our current product lines or business areas. So I'll ask it to sort them into types of partnerships. And it's done that perfectly for me. From here, I could take more of a strategic lens on the data and start to consider which of these competitor partnerships could generate the highest amount of revenue for our own organisation. So I might ask the assistant to recommend the top 5 partnerships that would generate the highest amount of sales. Okay, and it's answered that question perfectly as well. If we are then taking this type of initiative to our executive board, we might need to put together a formal presentation to outline the pros and cons of entering into such a partnership, the roadmap to success, the relevant metrics that we would need to consider as a measure of success, and the budget involved in making this happen. So we could ask it to create a presentation on the top 5 partnerships that I could take to my leadership team for approval. And it's presented me with an outline of exactly how that presentation should look. It's given me details across each of the slides that I'm going to be creating. And towards the bottom of this answer, it's also given me an understanding of the next steps. Finally, we could ask it to draft the outreach email to the partner company in question. And that's the email in question. That can then be sent out to any of those potential partners that it's previously provided to us, or it can sort of be tailored from that point and used as a starting point for any further correspondence. WMC.Ai allows you to effortlessly research and explore your market, create new content, and save you and your team days of manual effort. Give it a try today.